Okay, here we have Corylus americana, the hazelnut, and this is in the Betulaceae family. And in the Betulaceae, there are a few very distinctive characteristics. So one is the leaves are doubly serrate. That means that these tubes actually have serrations on the sides of the teeth. So in Corylus, this leaf is very soft, somewhat pubescent. Notice that really sharp pointed tip and how the base of the leaf, the blade, is really curved in. So that's pretty unique. Another thing we see on a lot of Betulaceae are these catkins. So these are developing flowers that will be mature in the spring, but they will be on the on the twig for the winter. So that's a good winter ID characteristic. Another good winter ID characteristic in Corylus are these bright green, sort of football-shaped buds. Now this one's here beside Warnell, and it's never fruited, but the fruit on this plant is, it's a nut, it's about half an inch, but it's covered up in a sort of a leafy bract, and that leafy bract is hairy. So it's very distinctive if you ever do see one. This is native to, not really to Athens, but more to the mountains. So you're not going to see it in the woods around Athens, but if you go up to, say, Helen, you might see some in the woods up there. If you can see under it, you can see it's very much a multi-stem shrub, which is totally normal for this species. It's definitely not a tree. This is probably most likely how you would see it in the woods. Okay, so Corylus americana in the Betulaceae hazelnut.